The altcoin that just simply won't move. That is what Casper is at the current moment. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. Welcome in all to the new viewers of the channel as well. Hopefully you guys stick around until the end and also hit that subscribe button. But regardless of where we are at right now in this cycle, as we really look at a few projects, they simply haven't been performing. And this is also met with a lot of frustration because we look at this space and there is so much growth happening around a lot of altcoins. And we're just like, what the hell is wrong with this thing? Why isn't it moving? Now, as we think about that, as we look at that as well, one crucial thing that I will always say on this channel is diversify. Diversification is so crucial because there's always going to be something moving in this space while others are not. But as we look at Casper, right, I put out a post the other day and I said this altcoin that simply won't move is what people are saying about Casper. I personally view Casper as a dark horse for this cycle. Everyone is expecting it to just simply not move, but I'm focused on how much is happening behind the project. We have Casper and IBM with Prove AI. We have the only network with active contracts just joined the DREC Alliance. 65.26% of the total supply is still staked. Major community growth initiatives, network continuing to be improved on through updates. Protocol updates scheduled for 2024 launch. Ecosystem starting to grow and expand. While others continue to jump into projects that have already moved significantly, I will continue to earn staking rewards and stack my bag, waiting for the big breakout. There has been far too much negative sentiment around Casper at a time where I feel like it's the best time to be focused on Casper. It reminds me of ADA during 2019 and 2020, right before we broke out and became one of the largest gainers in the market. Let's see what happens. Now, as we really look at that, right, I do think that Casper is very similar to ADA. We'll talk about that towards the end of this video. But I want to talk about some of the moves being made by the team, specifically the Condor protocol upgrade. I just quoted a post actually from Casper and I said, huge update for Casper holders. Condor protocol upgrade is coming. And we have the Casper Condor protocol upgrade is on the horizon and it represents a significant upgrade with a slew of new features accompanied by innumerable optimizations and improvements. The first article of an extended series from our R&D team aims to provide insights into the extensive work that has gone into the Condor release. Our R&D team examines the node software from the operator's perspective by reviewing changes to the set of binaries, running processes, exposable ports, and even the API service. Now, this is one of many upgrades that we are waiting for Casper, but we do know that Condor is and it was expected for this year, so I'm very excited about this. Now, if we go over here to some of the updates, a lot of them are already live. The alt season time bomb is ticking, and now is the best time to go and get your free access to 30 secret crypto gems that I personally have researched completely for you so that you can save a ton of time and make a ton of money. The link down in the description below takes you guys to this page where you can claim your free access instantly right now, free of charge. It's completely free. So what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Go and click the link down in the description below as well as in the comments below to get access now. Juliet is still in development. We have new networking layer, easier to maintain, more secure, reduces spam. And I believe that this is going to launch with Condor unless they just didn't update this. But we have over here from Condor, Zug consensus and rewards equals flexible block times plus payment to validators for sending finality signatures, and also gas refunds, reduces transaction cost versus capital cost, which is a big deal. Also over here, wallet enhancements equals additional feature options specific to native token management and transaction fee payments. Also, UREF enhancements equals added security and flexibility, including whitelist, expiration, and sharing management. And last but not least, we have account and contract unification equals lower fees as contracts can pay for transactions plus support for multi-sig upgrades. Contract enhancements, more security and transparency. Contracts can directly install contracts as well. And I'm very excited about this. Like I said, the team behind Casper has been hard at work. It's not like this project is just doing nothing and sitting here while the price is also doing nothing. No, the team has been working. They have been improving the network. They have been pushing updates, and I'm very excited about this. Now, also, big shout out to Tokenizer, because he also has been analyzing how blockchain and AI are converging at a rapid pace. And now is the best time to be focused on this. Now, he put out a full, it's like a full thread on what's happening around Casper with AI. You could see a lot of these major events, conferences, discussions around, AI and blockchain and how we can really kind of, utilize this technology at scale in the best way possible without having any inefficiencies or problems tied to it. And I went and summarized this because it is a very lengthy thread and I just don't want to bore you guys to death, but we have the collaboration between AI and blockchain technologies gaining significant momentum, as exemplified by the partnership between IBM and Casper Labs on the Prove AI initiative. We have some key points here: strategic alliance. IBM has been closely working with Casper since the inception of Prove AI, demonstrating a significant commitment to this project. Their overall role here is enabling interoperability between Casper and Hyperledger Fabric for IPW, indicating deep integration efforts. Significant presentations and events. Prove AI, initially known as Brave AI, was presented by prominent entities including Casper, IBM, WatsonX, and Gartner. The involvement of Gartner and IBM underscores the high expectations and scale of the project. Prove AI has been showcased at major events like Davos and even the Raise Summit, highlighting its importance on a global stage. IBM's commitment, their overall role here, and we're talking about Shyam's new role as IBM's head of global partners in responsible AI aligns with the goals of Prove AI, emphasizing the integration of AI governance and responsibility. IBM's extensive involvement, even though Prove AI is not directly an IBM product, suggests potential future packaging with WatsonX services. Future potential: Prove AI leverages blockchain technology to ensure the responsible and governed use of AI, addressing critical issues around AI regulations and standards. Given the rapid growth of AI, Prove AI's full launch is highly anticipated, with expectations of significant advancements within the next year. Overall, the partnership between IBM and Casper Labs on Prove AI represents a strategic move to harness the benefits of AI and blockchain, positioning it as a potential industry solution for enterprise AI governance. And like I said, a lot of these events and updates pushed by Casper are all highlighting AI and what's happening behind the scenes with AI. Just recently, on May 31st, we have AI legislation update with Colorado's recent passage of SB 2005, the first comprehensive AI legislation in the US targeting high-risk systems. The importance of AI governance is more critical than ever. This is only going to continue to become a hot topic. It's governance around AI. We need to make sure that we are prepared for AI to really kind of be here at scale within business processes, automation, you name it. And now we're starting to see in the US major moves being taken. Like I said, this is going to become a big deal, and it's only a matter of time until we start to see governance around AI really become a big focus point. That's why when we look at Casper, it's at the forefront of this with IBM, one of the leading and most trustworthy technology companies out there. And we have this new law signed on May 17th, sets a precedent for preventing algorithmic discrimination and ensuring transparency. In light of this and the AI EU legislation, join us to hear from leading AI policy expert, and this is from Casper Butterfield. We have about establishing AI governance to meet compliance challenges, and this is on June 13th. Now, beyond this, we also got this update from Casper Labs. Don't miss our upcoming webinar featuring IBM and the Good Tech Advisories. And this is with Casper, establishing AI governance to meet compliance challenges. Followed by this one as well. Check out the Casper Labs recap of some of the most commonly asked questions about the EU AI Act today. And yes, this is also another one. This is actually coming into full effect by 2026. So we have a little bit more time on that. But the rush towards governance and the rush towards, legislation around AI just shows you how fast things are moving around AI. And remember, this is technology. Technology waits for no one. It will continue to evolve at rapid pace. So I do think that as we really look at this, when we look at legislation around AI, I think that this is going to start really heating up in a large way. I think that we're going to start to see major moves happening around this, very similar to even regulations around blockchain and crypto. I think that we're getting very close to the endpoint on a lot of those major moves, which is going to really kind of put, all of this into overdrive. Now, beyond this, we also have this article from May 30th by Casper Labs, which is strengthening AI governance with Prove AI. Now, within this, we get a full glimpse at a few things happening around Prove AI. And we have blockchain technology known for its tamper-resistant transparency and traceability is poised to revolutionize AI governance. AI's effectiveness hinges on data integrity, making robust governance essential. This was a key focus at IBM Think, where Casper Labs introduced Prove AI, a blockchain-based solution enhancing AI training data, transparency, access, and auditability. Prove AI, supported by IBM Consulting, integrates with IBM Watson X governance, offering advanced features like version control and multi-party access controls. This blockchain-based system ensures data security through transparency, making tampering difficult and providing a clear auditable record of transactions. 3 critical features of Prove AI include transparency, which is blockchain's decentralized nature, ensures transparent, publicly accessible transaction records, crucial for responsible data use. Tamper resistant. The distributed ledger system makes data tampering nearly impossible, ensuring data integrity. High serialization. Blockchain efficiency logs large volumes of data automatically, saving time and resources. Prove AI addresses the increasing need for secure and efficient AI governance, allowing organizations to manage and audit large data sets effectively. By enabling secure data access and version control, Prove AI supports the safe and innovative use of AI, setting a new standard for AI governance. Now, beyond this, right? As we look at AI, as we look at Casper, as we look at IBM, this is going to be a game changer. It also puts Casper at the forefront of AI by working with IBM. This, like I said, is a dark horse around some of the largest narratives around the space so far, like AI, for an example, and everyone's just ignoring it. Now, as we do look at that, right, like let's talk about the chart. Guys, this is the chart for Casper. This has to be the most boring chart ever, right? I mean, this is literally what Casper's doing. And it's been doing it for 763 days. Let's be honest here. This is not awesome to watch. This is not great to look at. And that's why we have a lot of people saying, all right, well, I'm done with this. I don't want to invest into Casper. I don't want to hold Casper anymore. At a time where, as this thing is pretty much flat, doing absolutely nothing, do we honestly think it's going to stay like that? As alt season is gearing up for a massive, massive entry into the space where altcoins go crazy, as we do look at, the retail sector, they're just waiting on the outside, waiting for mainstream media to reel them in with some sort of major catalyst. Guess what? Casper is not going to be shy. Casper is going to be here in a large way. And in my opinion, on this next major breakout, which I do believe is brewing, that's what's going to set the stage for Casper to take over. It's very similar to ADA. I'm going off of this horizontal line here. This is when we start to see ADA actually fully break out of this level back here in July of 2018. It was a high that we didn't get past for over 898 days. Right now, that high is back here. It's sitting above roughly like 5.5 cents technically. Ultimately, what we want to, break over is this level here, which is 6.5 cents. This is a level that we want to reclaim. I'm talking more so about the supply zone here. We want to actually break over this and turn this into support. That way we can target some of these higher levels. We want to really kind of reclaim 7 cents, which was the level that we tapped back in September of 2021 before we ran all the way up here to 24 cents. So overall, as we really look at Casper, what we want to see is a break over, realistically speaking, even the recent high at about roughly like 6.4 cents. It's like almost 6.5 cents, right? That's what we want to see a break over. But it's been over 763 days. Do I think that we have to wait 898 days? No. But as we look at ADA, ADA was once very, very boring until it simply was not, and it went absolutely parabolic. When we look at Casper, I do believe that this thing is going to wake up in a large way, and I do have some targets on the board here for Casper that I'm really kind of watching for. I do expect $1 plus at least for Casper, especially with all of the narratives behind it, with how bullish it is from the fundamental standpoint, but we don't know, right? We have to take profits on the way up at significant levels. I do have a lot of those exit plans within the Discord if you guys do want to join it. Now that is behind the premium section, sadly, but I will definitely make videos around Casper at that time where we are starting to heat up, and I'll give you guys a little bit of an insight on, core levels that I'm watching for, or even, taking profits at on Casper. But I do believe that Casper will break over $1. We have to watch, wait, and see. But to me, Casper is brewing for a big run, very similar to how ADA was back all the way from 2018 into 2021. And I do think that it's going to take over. And I think that it is a dark horse within the space. I think that it is a dark horse around the AI sector. I think that, Casper for the longest time has just been one of those projects that everyone overlooks because it isn't moving the way that they wanted to. But they continue to push updates. They continue to build. They continue to make noise. And I do believe that they are going to continue to do so into the alt season. And I also think that it will be one of the biggest winners this alt season as well. So let's wait, watch, and see. And ultimately, let's see where the path leads us in terms of Casper. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.